Hey, I am Raghunath Krishna and you're watching Elephany, where we draw and color 50 stylized elephants.
In this video, we are going to draw and color email-elephant, an elephant which looks like the email icon. Let us first draw the email icon with a square and a triangle on top of it. Let us imagine the upper triangular portion as the head. Draw two rectangles on the sides for the ears. A rectangle at the bottom that forms the space between the legs. Draw two tusks. Two triangular eyes. Do you see an elephant here? Now let's draw the eyeballs. The email elephant is ready for coloring. I am taking a deep blue for the head. Yellow ochre for his body. Let us give deep orange for his ears and the space at the bottom. Purple for his eyes. And again leave some space for the reflective parts of the eyes. Now we have completed drawing and coloring email elephant. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.